see what we have here. What's that? Lights are on. There is a funky smell in here. It does not smell great. Maybe, oh, it's not so bad. So we have air cleaner. Yes, please. We have a small, well, it's not small, semi-double bed with some stylish dressing gown. I quite like that, actually. It's nice. We have a retro Sony Cube alarm clock, which I had when I was a child. We have the lights with USB, a tasteful Sakura picture. There's an expensive massage. There's a functional desk. It's all right. It's all right. And we have the bathroom. Lights are on. It's a unit bath, but it's reasonably not bad. Not bad. High. Clean. Can't complain too much. That's reasonable. And out here we have some air forest. Smells like forest air. Slippers, better wear those. And that's the Best Western in Akihabara.